Do you want to know a super cool way that I couldn't believe my eyes? I was shocked and I had to share with anybody and everybody how to get rid of burns, stings, anything to do with bug bites, okay? And I was shocked when this worked. It's considered an old wives' tale, and sometimes they just don't work, but this one really blew me away. So let's jump on in. Okay, so what you're gonna need is an onion and a chopping board and some type of thing to chop up the onion. So either a food processor, or I can't find my food processor, so I'm just gonna use this and get an arm workout at the same time. So what you're gonna do is you are going to cut open your onion. Like this. Take your food processor or your blender, or this is a hand processor, throw it in, and I add a smidge of water, maybe like a tablespoon or two. Put it on, get your arm workout. I don't know if it's quite ready. Looks about good. Now you're going to take a cloth, any type of cloth, a face cloth, a rag, anything that you can get your hands on, and you're gonna put this onion in the rag. Okay, so here's my face cloth that I need to use. I'm just going to put all of the onion, even if there's a bit of water, you just dump it out a bit. In the sink, dump all of that onion in your food cloth. What you're gonna do is take that, and wherever you got stung or whoever got stung, you're going to wrap the pure onion right on that sting. Make sure you get it right on that sting, and you're going to wrap it up, and then you're going to use a pinch to clip it. You're gonna leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep checking it here and there. And eventually, maybe depending on how long the sting has been there, it will be gone after 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a try.